Most artists dream of having their work seen in galleries or studios. But what if your collectors were sitting courtside or even up in the stands at an event? Tonight, I'm in Philadelphia, about to paint live at an NBA halftime. And what's wild is this is one of the best places I've found people who truly value my art. And to my surprise, it wasn't a gallery. Later in this video, I'll share why this environment connects so deeply and how you can find your collectors in unexpected places too. For now, let's get ready for the show. Let's go. Welcome to Philadelphia. Ray's back there getting things set. Woohoo! Hello, Ray. All right, we are going out soon to do the halftime for 76ers opening night. And we've been here quite a bit, but I always find it interesting that somehow this art form works really well during halftimes. I have a theory, I'm gonna share it later, but for now, I just wanted to welcome you to this. I'm gonna start getting in the zone, and then we're gonna bring you along for this show tonight. So, and by the way, those of you who don't know me, my name is David Garibaldi. I create these large portraits and minutes to music all over the world, and even events like this tonight. I also help artists grow their brands, and there's some info down below in the description. All right, let's go get to this halftime. Let's go. Okay, we're ready now. Ray is ready. All that really cool footage you guys see me post from the shows, thanks to Ray's instinct. I'm gonna get in the zone. Thank you for being here, and I have a special message for you at the end of this video. As artists, we often look for validation in the same places, online, in galleries, even in trends. But real connection can happen anywhere people feel something. Here, in the middle of a halftime show, center court, surrounded by fans and energy. This is where I found my collectors. Now stick around, because I'm gonna share the reason why this works and how you can find your own version of this moment. All right, we just finished the halftime here in Philadelphia. It's opening night for the 76ers. And we've been here many times before, but it's always special to bring art to the court. But as many halftimes as I've done, I've always wondered this. Why does this art form work so well at sporting events? And over time, I've felt like, I think it has a lot to do with the psychology of how a fan feels at a game. Think about it. When I start painting, the first brushstrokes, it feels uncomfortable. It feels like your favorite team is down and maybe losing. And eventually along the way, you start to see it come to life, and it feels like your favorite team is making a comeback. They may be able to win this. And eventually the final moments of that image, as it all comes together, it's very clear. And it feels like your favorite team or player hit that winning shot, and we're all gonna celebrate tonight. And I say this because artists, I ended up in these places because I found an audience that values this art form. This doesn't really work well in a gallery. They don't really feel that same psychology or that feeling. Now for you, it may be a different environment, but the point is to find that environment that values you and your art. If the community connects with the imagery, that's where you'll find it. So either way, I appreciate you coming along for this video. If you're enjoying content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe and the like down below. We're off to Miami next, we'll bring you along for that. But in the meantime, thank you guys, and we are off to the next city. Peace.